Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Facebook story. Now it's pretty simple to delete your story, so I will show you how to do that right now. But before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So first I will upload a story in front of you and then I will delete the same story, so I will show you how the process works, alright? So in order to create a story, once you open your Facebook profile, you can clearly see the button called create story at the top right. So I will just click a random photo. So I will click on the camera icon at the bottom. I will just click a random photo of my phone over here. And as you guys can see, now I'm going to click on share at the bottom right, and this is going to be added on my story. So right now, as you guys can see where it says your story at the top, that is my story. So I just uploaded the story. It hasn't been uploaded, it's still being uploaded, but after the loading is complete, my photo will be uploaded, alright? That's how you guys can upload a story. So my story has just been uploaded. Now in order to delete the story, what I need to do is go on my story. So after opening my Facebook, let me just close my Facebook and open it again. After I open my Facebook, at the top it says your story, that is my story. I click on your story and I view my story. Now if I want to delete this story, at the top you can see the three dot. Click on it. Once I click on the three dot, it's going to show me this. Now over here it shows me delete photo. Now because this story is a photo, it shows me delete photo. In your case, if your story is a video, it's going to show you delete video. So I will just click on delete photo, click on delete, and wait for some time. It's deleting, and after the loading is complete, my story should be deleted just like this. And once your story is deleted, you cannot recover them, so you need to keep that in mind. So that's how we guys can delete Facebook story. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.